The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this.
What's good with it, fam? This part 2 of the iPhone hack. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just giving y'all some update, man. Just got the new fold-in Galaxy. You know, smooth. Please be appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? But once again, man, my channel for education purpose only. I ain't telling you what to go do. I ain't telling you to go out and do anything that I'm saying in the video. Just educate you on if you're having problems trying to get you some phones, some different outlooks you can take to get you a new phone in your hand, man. So with that being said, make sure you got your public record strong. Go cop both these books. And let's jump into this video, man. Appreciate you. What's up, man? We back with the phone hack part 2 where everybody been hitting me up, man, trying to get phones. I guess they've been running up with some hiccups on their end, but Leesville, you know, he just got the fold. What is the Z Fold just got this in yesterday, you know. Right here they got them still in stock. They still a go. The new one. Y'all go check them out. It's unlocked. You know, go to T-Mobile. Anybody get it hooked up for you. You know what I'm saying? It's alive. It's a go. Y'all see it. Leesville, get your phones. But I guess some people having a problem trying to do that. So I don't know what area everybody stay in, but if you stay in an area that has Spectrum, you can go get you some cable. You know, they got cable real cheap. Then get you a little internet, and then they also have phones. So once you get the little internet set up, they gotta come set the internet up. But once they come set the internet up, you can hit them back and say, hey, I'm trying to add a couple of phone lines to my plan. And if you come and you see, they got the new iPhones, iPhone 14s, $45 starting out. That's the Max, the Pro Max. They got the regular iPhone 14, $33. They even got the Z Fold, $74. And same way, they gonna run your CP, see what you approved for, and then tell you, oh, you get approved for 10 lines, get 10 phones. You know. Then if you got your EIN number, you can go on the business side, do the same thing. You might get approved for 20 phones. You know, you can be like, well, alright, what if you don't stay in the area that carries Spectrum? Okay, if you live in an area that got Xfinity cable, it's the same thing. You go get you some cable and some internet. As soon as they set that up, be like, oh, hold up, man, I need me some phones. Come down. They got iPhones. You know, I can't show y'all right here because you got to go actually set the plan up so you can get to their phones. You know, see what phones they carry, but they carry iPhones. You know, you can come here. Matter of fact, you can come here, put your address in, see if they operating in your address. So once again, that's 3 ways to get the phone. You can come to Leesville and get you one. If you say you can't get in through Leesville, they wouldn't let you get a phone. Okay, you don't got to be all mad. You can come over Spectrum, getting cable. Everybody who had a CP before understand cable is the easiest thing to get. You can do everything over the phone. Boom, they come through, set it up, call them back, get the phones, they mail the phones, or if they got a store, you can come to drive up to their store, pick up the phones yourself in person. Boom, 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 and you're good to go. And I mean, now you know, everybody in the household got iPhones, got the new iPhones. It's that simple, that simple. It ain't really that hard. Like I say, people just gotta think outside the box. You know, you can't keep running the T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, and then they getting smart. They not letting that stuff slide. They getting smart. So you got to think outside the box. Like, there's a million places that got phones. You know, them ain't the only ones. You know, and if you CP right, you're good to go. But if you ain't got your public records good, you know, you might have some hiccups. So just remember that, man. The key to it is make sure your PR is strong, man. Make sure you put that work in. And like I say, everything else will fall into place, man. Everything else fall in place. But that's a quick little video, man. I just wanted to get that out there. People keep hearing me and tell you asking about it. So hey, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the video, man. Hey, come back, check me out. We out.
What it do? Yeah. You know what it is? Yeah. MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so thorough when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess